Take care of this. You tired?
We hire local community members to teach our students different life skills. 21st century media classes, we have soccer, karate, fitness and strength conditioning with the spin bikes. We do have sewing and meditation, yoga, keyboard, gardening, photography. We have a lot of different opportunities and specialties within Dyad and within the school.
1, 2, 3. I'll tell it to her, she might be able to catch on faster than you can.
I really like music. So like, I used to play the piano and he has some pianos in the class, so I play them. Our teacher, Mr. Denby, he's trying to teach us about like music and what type of instruments we're gonna use.
I'm in a soccer class and I really like that we get to have fun with our friends and be able to socialize and still play and learn new tricks.
It's cutting it, right? Barber, karate, soccer, gardening, sewing. These are super important community building classes. So I love the idea of them having this in the middle of a math or science class, you know. It's really setting up these kids to be members of their community whenever they leave here.
I like photography because we get to learn more about camera and how to use a camera, and because this generation is a lot about technology and it helps me a lot with using the camera and how to take a lot of good pictures.
You know, some of the benefits that they want to come to school. They want to come every day. They look forward to our Dyad classrooms. I'm very, very excited. Something that I reflect as, you know, myself as a student, and I wish we had these type of experiences when I was a child. So being able to, you know, to have that and wanting to bring my own child here at Edison, it just shows you how great our Dyad program is here at Edison Middle School.